Hey everyone, let's make it real. Right here, you see an organization chart for the United States Department of Agriculture. The Secretary of the USDA is Sonny Perdue. And usually when you think of agriculture, you think of farming and the crops that come along with it. But underneath that Secretary's job are levels of bureaucratic organizations that belong under the USDA label. So you see the Office of Inspector General, Office of the General Counsel, and then undersecretaries, let's say of Food and Nutrition and Consumer Services, Farm Production and Conservation, Research, Education, and Economics, and then you find some titles that are underneath it as well, like the Forest Service, that you find under the Undersecretary of Natural Resources and Environment. So not everything happens to be a part of an agricultural, let's say, norm that you might think of, like I said, farming or crops. You find a lot of agencies that fall under these organizations and their organizational charts. So with each of these bureaucratic levels that you might find some overlap, redundancy. You might find that your letter to the USDA takes a long time for there to be a response because you find that there are levels that you have to go through in order to get a response. And this is typical of any organization that you find not only at the federal level, but also the state level and local levels where a bureaucratic organization is in place. You can find this off of usda.gov, and in the search box, type in flowchart or organization chart.